Do you want to be better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm the human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 new release, Everyday Excellence. February 24th. Education's purpose is to replace an empty mind, open one. Malcolm Forbes. The purpose of education is to learn how to think, not what to think. I have a degree in physics, and it taught me to ask questions. I question everything, especially myself and my beliefs. This has allowed me to evolve over time and become less naive and less wrong. I can now see second and third order effects of things. Being told what to think is just brainwashing, not brain building. Question more to be better. I'm Joe Templin, the human Kaizen expert. I want you to be excellent and be better today.